Hello! Hi! It's me again, Katrina. So today, we're making one of my favorite desserts. Hulaan nyo, it's not churros, it's gulab jamun. From rolling each little ball to frying them until they are perfectly golden. The hardest part is waiting for them to soak in all the delicious syrup. Oh my God. So the kitchen smells so amazing, and honestly, my patience is being tasted right now. So here comes Faye was coming here and help me. And then, oh my God, I can't wait to taste this very delicious dessert. So, oh my God. So, ayan siya. Ayan. So, ayan. Umpisahan na. Let's start by prito-prito. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. So, takot ako sa mantika, guys. So, ganyan lang yan. So, anyway, yan. Yan. Sige. Ano yan? Just tell the syrup. Oh my God. I can't wait. So, yan. Magano siya. So, hayaan nyo na. Hindi siya bilog. So, that's not, we didn't achieve the circle. So, let's try this. Oh my God. So, diba tingnan nyo kami dalawa ni Faye. So, yan. So, yan na. Let's try it. So, my gosh. This time, I'm just exciting. So, see? So, diba? Charot-charot yung mga mukha namin dalawa dyan. So, tingnan mo. Nagbubulahan kaming dalawa niyan. Ayan. Pero masarap talaga siya, guys. Promise. So, diba? Kita mo naman yung reaction ko. As in, masarap talaga siya. It's super delicious. It's super yummy. So, sa sinong gustong magpagawa sa akin, magpaluto ng gulab jamun, just message me and I'm your service. Pandama itong voice over na to. Walang kwentang voice over. Ay, ganyan talaga ako, guys. Tawa lang naman ng tawa. Yan yung mga kalukuhan ko. Ayan siya. Kasi feel may dinamay pa ako. Ganyan siya, guys. So, iyan. So, I'll show you like yun. Hindi man siya bilog. This is not the round circle na chip. Pero, we achieved the taste. It's really delicious. Hindi man namin na-achieve yung circle, pero hayaan nyo na yan. Basta masarap siya. Oh my God. Ang pangit na voice over na to. But anyway, so that's just all for today.
7 out of 10.
Diba, OA yung mga reaction ko. As in, super OA siya. So, ayan. So, sa tingin nyo, merong mag-order sa akin ng gulab jamun? I don't think so. Pero promise, guys, mas masarap siya sa binili sa can. Mas masarap yung luto ko kaysa binili ko. Diba? Okay, siya na. Bye na talaga. Bye!